Hi there, John Bow here, and I'm out at Gray's Classic Cars, and I thought I recognised this car because I read about it last week in Survivor Car magazine. It's also got a story on the Charger RTs as well. It's an American XR Falcon. So there's quite a few different details to what we had, but it's left-hand drive. It's in really nice patinaed original condition. You know, the paint's original. It's worn through a bit there where it's been you know, polished to death, but it's actually original and in good nick. Same with the interior. It's got you know, nice cloth inserts, just like sitting in a Aussie Falcon, only you're on the other side. Pretty unusual to find. So, have a look at this. An XR Falcon Futura left-hand drive American car from Missouri, and very unusual in this country. If you want something special and unusual, have a look at Gray's Classic Cars. It'll go live to auction very soon.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.